أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي ربنا زدنا علما ربنا زدنا علما ربنا زدنا علما اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما اللهم لا سهل إلا ما جعلته سهلا وأنت تجعل الحزن إذا شئت سهلا. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, my dear brothers and sisters in Islam. How are you all? Kindly make use of the chat box to reply to my questions, inshallah. Let it be an interactive session. Please make use of the chat box. How are you all, dear sisters and brothers here? Hope you all are doing well and good. Hope you all are in best state of health and iman, inshallah, biznillah ta'ala. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah, dear sisters here and brothers here. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah, we all are here to learn video editing course. Inshallah, I'm your host, UMME MISHAAL with you. I'll be your host throughout these sessions, inshallah. We'll be with you for the next 16 days. First of all, I would like to thank you all to enroll to this program. Thank you all for enrolling here. I welcome you all to this program of learning video editing in just 16 days using your smartphone, inshallah. Okay. So let me just introduce myself to you first before I'm gonna start up with the video editing itself. Let me just introduce myself to you first. Who am I? I am UMME MISHAAL here. I'm a professional photo editor. I'm a professional video editor. I'm also a YouTuber. I'm also an online tutor. I just take maths tuitions as well as a few more tuitions, inshallah. I'm also a software engineer by profession, alhamdulillah. So I professionally edit the videos for various YouTube channels, for various organizations. For example, I'm a photo and professional video editors for Reminder After Reminder, and I professionally edit the photos for the Your System in Islam and more. This I charge them for editing the video content. Okay, inshallah. Throughout this course, I'll be teaching you this skill to be a photo and to be a video editor, inshallah. Throughout this course, I will teach you how to be a professional video editor. Fine, inshallah. So I'm also a YouTuber. I handle 7 to 8 channels, 7 to 8 YouTube channels. Firstly, I just edit the videos for the Reminder. I did the videos for the Nurul Quran. I did the videos for the EDU-SITE. I edit the videos for more of the channels like Creation of Creator. I did the videos for Al Quran Hayati. I added the videos for Your Sister in Islam and Nurun al Arur, and so many channels are there, inshallah, alhamdulillah. I did the videos for them. I'm also an online tutor. I professionally teach the mathematics as well as in English subjects for various tuitions throughout the world. So I'm also a software engineer by profession, and I take up the software projects, and I just deal with that as well. Okay, so this was a brief introduction about myself so that you all may learn who is hosting you all throughout the 16 days. Okay, so this was just a brief introduction about myself so that my students will get to know about me before I start with them, inshallah. So we are into the video editing course. We are into the 16 days video editing course. I will be your host throughout, inshallah. So let me just begin with why are we going to learn this editing? Okay, why are you going to learn the purpose of editing? Okay, I just don't want you all to annotate on the screen, please. Okay, kindly do not use the annotation. Okay, alhamdulillah. So why should I learn video editing? Dear sisters and brothers, you might ask, why should I learn this? First and foremost thing, whatever you do, whatever I do, we have to do it for the sake of Allah. Is it not right, dear sisters and brothers? Innamal a'malu binniyat. Our amal are judged based on our intentions. Do it just for the sake of Allah. First intend to do it, to learn the skill, to learn this ability just for the sake of Allah, inshallah. You're going to intend now, make an intention, you're going to do this just for the sake of Allah, so that you're going to earn His pleasure through this. How can you earn the pleasure of Allah through video editing? How can you just gain rewards through video editing? I'll just let you know how will you do that in the upcoming class, inshallah. So alhamdulillah, why should I learn editing? This might be everyone's question. Those who are gathered here might question, why should I learn this editing? Do you not know that every form of knowledge in this world now, every form of knowledge is converted into the video format? Isn't it interesting to hear, dear sisters and brothers? Every knowledge, be it the medical knowledge, be it in the medical science field, everything's are now available in the form of a video or not. Do you all know that? Everything, even the Quran, the Afzalul Kalam, the Afzalul Zikr, it is now available in the video format. Is it not right, dear sisters and brothers? Yes, right. So this is the scope of the video editing. How is it being converted from the bookish format to the video format? What do the video editors do? They just convert it, right? So I and you, inshallah, can be something, can be a video editor as well. Inshallah, we will learn the skill of video editing in the upcoming 16 days, inshallah. So the first thing why are you learning is to educate yourself this skill and this talent, inshallah. And also you can serve the ummah through this in the future. You can just be a beacons of knowledge through this. You can be a source of knowledge through this. You can be the spreaders and sharers of the knowledge through this, through the video that you will edit, inshallah. You can just show to the world what content you have created, inshallah. First, you are going to educate yourself. You're going to educate the ummah. If you have the children, inshallah, you're going to educate them regarding this editing skill. That is going to be beneficial for you as well as the ummah, inshallah. Let it be a editing content that will be a source of hidayah for the ummah, inshallah ta'ala. I want you all to make it an interactive session, please. Inshallah, I just want you all to type yes, and I want you all to type something in the answer to my questions, inshallah. So why should I learn video editing? It is also one more answer to this question is you can earn rizq or halal through this, okay, inshallah. By being a professional video editor, you can just go into this field in depth and you can pursue a career in video editing, because this video editing is in trend nowadays, inshallah ta'ala, dear sisters. Yes, inshallah. So there is another thing. Why are you going to learn this? Something, you have a creativity in you. For example, you are creative in doing some mehendi designs or something like that. You're creative in home decors or something like that. You're going to make such videos. You are creative in cooking or something like that. You have a skill of cooking so well, inshallah. So what you do is you just put up the videos out there on the YouTube. You just do not put up on the social media as such, right? What you do is you edit those videos and then you put it out, right? So we are just learning to edit that. We are learning that skill to edit the videos, inshallah ta'ala. So for the content creation, your creativity is put into picture right there, right? So for the content creation, for the personal projects, you can just make your own projects for the social media. You can also be a professional video editor, inshallah. So this is a purpose why you're going to learn this video editing in next 16 days. Remember, this thing that we're going to learn is a professional thing, inshallah. We are going to start from the start of it, the beginning of it, until the advanced level for the green screen effect, the animation effect, inshallah. We are going to learn till there, inshallah, in the next 16 days. I want you all to be very focused in the class. I want you all to be very concentrating. Listen with the concentration, inshallah. You will attain this level of professionalism, inshallah, when you practice so much and when you will be present in all of the classes, okay, inshallah. If you are not present in the class, no problem, you can just cover it up through the recordings, but try to be present in the class, inshallah. So one more thing, why should I learn this video editing? Because you are going to be an Islamic video editor in the future, inshallah. You're going to try to be Islamic video editors. You will have so many video editors throughout the world, dear sisters and brothers, but Islamic video editors, the Muslim video editors, are the rare gems. Remember this, because they are the rare gems. They make use of just the halal content to create, right? Do you just go and surf some music videos and just make some dance videos or something like that? No, right? We are something, the creators of the halal content, inshallah, in the futures. We are the rare gems, right? The Quranic tilawa videos and more that are edited by the video editors, Muslim video editors, are such a great and valuable gems of this world. We are going to edit the Afzalul Zikr, Afzalul Kalam, inshallah, in the future. So I want you all to be very focused, very creative, and inshallah, I want you all to put up all of your talent, all of your creativity inside the videos that we are going to prepare, inshallah. So do it with a great spirit. We are not just creating the videos, dear sisters, we are creating the emotions. We are creating the emotions that world can watch, inshallah. So I want you all to be very, very attentive, and I want you all to be very focused in upcoming classes, inshallah. So we also have a greater purpose. Remember, this is our greatest purpose that we are going to start with. We are going to start to learn to edit with a purpose to serve the deen of Allah and not against the deen of of Allah, dear sisters and brothers here, you have to have this purpose. Fine. We also see we are not just going to edit the business of the Quran Tilawa videos or something as such, but we're also going to see how we are going to create business promotion videos. If you are into the business fields, if you're into any fields, we are also going to see how we are going to create the business promotion videos and as well, inshallah. So even the earning risk halal, earning is also a halal thing, right? Risk halal is also mandatory to us, right? Earning. So you can just go through the business promo videos in upcoming sessions, okay? So inshallah, I will be teaching you all of those skills in upcoming 16 classes. So you're just not going to be video editors, remember this, but you're going to be the Islamic video editors with some conditions, right? You have to create halal content and more, inshallah. So first and foremost, we are into the class day 1 of this course, and I want you all to rectify the intention. The first and foremost thing that you all are going to do is you're going to rectify your intentions. Please rectify the intention that you are using this skill, this talent, this ability for the sake of Allah, and inshallah in the future you're going to earn this halal through this, inshallah, by halal means, okay? So when you're going to rectify the intentions while you're learning throughout the class, inshallah you will be gaining the ajr, earn rewards while learning by just rectifying your intentions. Now you're going to learn this skill just for the sake of Allah, so inshallah Allah will reward you all, reward me as well, inshallah, to by intending that we are doing this just to seek his pleasure, inshallah, and we are going to serve his deen through this, inshallah ta'ala. So please rectify your intentions. So this is a journey of being a productive Muslim or a Muslimah using your smartphone. So we have used our smartphone for various purposes, right? For example, we have used it for the for spreading the news, something like that, something news pops up in our WhatsApp and we just share it, right? And something like we also use it for the educational purposes and more. Now I am teaching you, inshallah, next to 16 days how we are going to be more productive with a smartphone, and let's begin this journey of being more productive, being a more productive Muslim or a Muslimah using a smartphone. Dear sisters and brothers here, do we not just spend our time in the reels and shorts as just for 30 minutes wasted in spending on the reels, watching reels, some stuffs like that, some dramas, the women usually watch some dramas and stuffs like that, but you just can save, you just can be more productive with your time. Just give 30 minutes, you can create four videos in 30 minutes. Take it from me, after the course, inshallah, after much practice and being professional a video editor, you can just create 4 videos in 30 minutes. You can also build up a career in this, and also you can just gain rewards through just creating 4 videos in 30 minutes, and also spread it to the ummah, spread it to the world to watch that content, inshallah. So this 4 videos that you can create in just 30 minutes will be worth it, right? It will be worth the time that is spent on the something, the videos and reels and shorts and stuffs like that. You can be your own creator, you can just be your own content creator, right? Inshallah ta'ala. So let's start this journey of being productive with your smartphone, and let's begin with this app the next 16 days with the name of Allah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Start with the name of Allah. Anything and everything we have to start with the name of Allah, so that Allah puts blessings in our efforts, so that Allah puts barakah in our efforts, in our time and in our skill, inshallah ta'ala. Please seek help from Almighty Allah, because we are nothing without his help, inshallah. Seek help through the du'as like Allahumma la sahla illa ma ja'altahu sahla wa anta taj'alul hazna idha shi'ta sahla. Allahumma anfa'na bima 'allamtana wa 'allimna ma yanfa'una wa zidna 'ilma. Please rectify your intentions. Let's begin. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Before we begin, I just want to give you a short introduction about video editing course, inshallah. What is video editing and more, inshallah. I'll just give you some short introduction before we are going to begin. This is the introductory class session that we are going to start with. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. I want you all to recite the name of Allah before we begin, so that Allah puts barakah in your time, in this knowledge that you are seeking, inshallah. May Allah bless our efforts and more, inshallah. So coming to the video editing course now, can you all just tell me what is video editing? The name itself says, dear sisters and brothers here, can you please type in the chat box, what is video editing? What is a video editing? Yes, dear sisters and brothers, type in the chat box, what is a video editing? The name itself says video is being edited, right? A video that is already available, a photo that is already available, that can be converted into a video. Yes, excellent, dear sister Shamshat Khalid. Presenting a video beautifully is called as a video editing. Excellent. Yes, at presenting a video, manipulating it in such a way that it looks beautiful to the viewers and more, right? Manipulating it and making it seem such a great enhanced quality with a with which has a great visuals, with which has a great auditory things. Auditory experience should also be great, right? So manipulating and rearranging the video clips to create a finished product is nothing but a video editing. We are going to learn about cutting, we are going to learn about trimming the videos, how to add the effects, how to add the transitions, how to add the audio elements, how to make a green screen video content. For example, you're going to make some product reviews and something like that. What you do not have a suitable background, just put a green color thing, cloth or something like that, put your product on it, and how I'm going to teach you how are you going to remove that green screen content, how are you going to add up the key frame to it, how are you going to animate that product, and more, inshallah, in the upcoming classes. So I want you all to be very concentrating, very attentive, and inshallah be present in all of the next sessions, inshallah. So the audio elements and more, you have to just this video editing deals with how are you going to just manipulate the audio elements, the transitions, how you're going to apply the visuals, enhance the auditory experience of the videos, and all, inshallah, in the upcoming sessions, inshallah. So this is what is actually the video editing. So what is the scope of video editing? You all know it, right? What is its scope? Because each and every knowledge that you see, each and every content that you see in the bookish knowledge that you have, or in the form of books, is now being converted into the format of a video, right, dear sisters and brothers? Everything is available in the video format. Do you not know that? Yes, right? Every hadith is in the video format now. Every Quranic ayah is in the video format now. Every knowledge that is written is now in the video format. Is it not right? Yes or no? I want you all to, are you all concentrating? I just want to see if you're following me. Type yes, dear sisters. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. Barakallahu fiki. Okay, so this is the scope of video editing. What is it? It is in high demand right now because in the advertisement. For example, you're into a business, you want to advertise your content. How will you advertise it? What are you going to do? You're just going to put up a nice video and just going to advertise it, right? For example, you are into a business of making some hijabi products or something like that, hijabs and more. So what do? You just put it all in the video format, make a business promotional video, and just promote it on Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook, X, or somewhere in all of the platforms, right? All of it requires the video editing. So online content creation requires the video editing. So this skill that you're going to learn is not at all a waste of time or something like that. And this, you can make it a source of ajr as well as a source of income, inshallah, in the future. So one thing, it is very important nowadays to learn video editing. Do you all not know that? The YouTube, the Instagram that you see, the Facebook that you see, all of the content is in the video format. What do you all prefer? Do you all prefer reading and sitting for 30 minutes, or just prefer 30-second reel? Is it not have a preferences not changed to the video format? Yes, we all have just started to seeing only the video content and not just reading out, right? So on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, X, TikTok, and streaming services, there's high demand for the engaging video content. This is actually the scope of video editing, right? So what more, dear sisters? What are the opportunities after you complete this course? Okay, this is the thing that I want to discuss with you all, that inshallah, after completing this course, you will attain the level of professionalism, inshallah. But I want you all to practice along with me. The practice only makes you perfect, okay? The practice can give perfection. Only practice can give perfection. Just studying is not enough, because it is a skill that you're learning. It is not something like you are learning to give exams. It is a skill. It is brought up inside you. It is brought up inside you by practice, okay, dear sisters? It is nothing. It is got up only by practice. You can only achieve this skill by practicing a lot, okay? Practicing on your creativity, inshallah, you can be a pro just by practice. Just remember this: after the 16 days course, inshallah, so many opportunities will open up. First thing, you can be a video editor. You can call and see yourself a professional video editor only after completing the 16 days, and also by practicing, inshallah. You can create the reels and stuff and more, inshallah. You can also create the shorts for your YouTube channels and more. You can also create the intro outro videos for your YouTube channel or more. You can create your own YouTube handles. You can create your own social handles, and you can create your own content for that channels or something like that. Okay, and also you can earn through the freelancing. Do you all know what is freelancing, the sisters and brothers here? Can kindly type yes, no. Do you all know something called Fiverr, Upwork, and more? Yes, please. Yes or no? Kindly type in the chat box. There's some applications. Yes, yes, alhamdulillah, few of you know it. There is some application, there's an online website named as Fever. What they do, what you have to do is you have to just just have to put up your skills there. You have to put up your gigs there. I mean, you're just going to note your talent there. Okay, you're going to write your talent there, what you're good with. What happens is the people come and give you some tasks. Like for example, what I do is we just mention our skill there. I'm a video editor. I edit your content just in 24 hours and give you I charge this much and this much. I just charge rupees 1,000 for a video or something like that, and I get the works from the different peoples. So this is the Fever application. This is the freelancing that you can do. Okay, so this is the Fever website that you can inshallah, after learning through the course, you can just join there and you can just take up the projects also. And also you can do a job as a video editor in future, inshallah. And also you can volunteer the skill for the sake of Allah, dear sisters and brothers here. Okay, inshallah, you can volunteer this skill for the sake of Allah by just creating the Quranic content and more, and putting it out for the world to watch, inshallah, by being a source of hidayah for the millions of people, inshallah ta'ala. Let's be a beacons of knowledge, inshallah, by the will of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So what is future in this video editing? Actually, the video editors have high demands because this is a very interesting and something that the world needs to, world is actually facing these days, right? All of the content that is available in this world is actually being converted into the form of video, right? So this is actually the future in video editing. So this is in high demand. So I want you all to learn the skill that is of high demand in next 16 days, inshallah. So we are in this journey of being a productive Muslimah with our smartphone, Muslim or Muslimah with our smartphones, inshallah. So let me just mention to you brief of the details that were mentioned, the course details. For those whoever not has gone through that, I'll just make a note about it, dear sisters and brothers here. This is a 16 days course, inshallah. This is the same timing throughout the 16 days. And one thing everyone was asking about, is it every day? Yes, it is every day. It is for next 16 days, and there is no gap in between, inshallah. For the next 16 days continuously, you have a class at 3:30 p.m. the Indian Standard Time. So in Indian time, if you're from any other countries besides this, please just match it up with your timing and attend the sessions. If you do not attend the sessions, if you miss out any classes, no problem, dear sisters. The lectures will be available, the recordings will be available on this channel. There is a website name mentioned here. Kindly take a note about it. Okay. And next thing, this is a learning from the beginners level. I'll teach you right from the start how to download the software, and till the advanced level, I'll teach you each and everything of the software that I'm giving you, inshallah. And one more thing, the recordings will be available on the YouTube. Do not worry, even if you miss out anything of the class, it will be available on the YouTube. And inshallah, I'll just provide you whatever the recording URLs are there. I'll just provide it in the group. Okay. Do not worry. If any doubts you have, you can ask me throughout the class, and also you can ask me in the WhatsApp, inshallah. I will be ready to help you throughout the course, inshallah. And also after that, even if you want me to help you with the career in the video editing, inshallah, I'll help you out throughout, inshallah. So what will you learn? This was all mentioned in the flyer, dear sisters. I just wanted to give a summary to all of that, so I just mentioned it here. First, we are going to start with the software downloads, and then we are going to start with the creation of projects and more. Okay, then we will have a special training, dear sisters, and after learning about all of the tools and tactics of the KineMaster or the software that we are using, inshallah, then we are giving a special training. In that training, you are going to start up with a intro, how to create an introductory video for your own channel, how to create an outro video for your own channel, how to start up with the Quranic Tilawa videos, business promotional videos, how to make wedding invitation videos, and more, inshallah. We are going to see all of that in the future classes, inshallah. So okay, so let me just start off with the software that we are going to use for this. Okay, this software that we are going to use is called as the KineMaster, dear sisters and brothers. This is a proven best software by most of the video editors, dear sisters and brothers here. This is the best softwares which I have gone through, and which most of the video editors have gone through. Okay, I'll mention you some of the channels that just use the KineMaster application for creating the content. Okay, the reminder after reminder, the channel that you have, the Nurul Quran, the channel that you have, and also the channel like Al Quran Hayati, and also the channels like Nurun Allah Nur, and also the channels like the At-Tawabin. Okay, hope you have all have heard about this At-Tawabin and more. All of these channels use just the KineMaster version to make use of the videos of the to edit the videos and more. Okay, so you can be a great YouTube editor in with this. Okay, with this KineMaster software, inshallah. So this is a compact software. It is easy to use software. Everyone with just a simple knowledge of the smartphone will be able to go through this KineMaster software. Fine. So it is very quite easy to use software. So inshallah we are going to prefer this software throughout sessions. Inshallah we are going to just learn the software throughout 16 days. Inshallah, how to use it, how we are going to use it in different ways. We are just going to learn that. Okay, I being a professional video editor, what I use is I just pay the software up. Okay, I just pay for the software and I have a paid version of this. Fine. So I have a paid version for this because I have to edit the professional content. I just have a paid version. But what I want you all to do is, because you all are learners, fine, you all are learners right now currently, you do not have to have a paid software. That is not at all required. Fine, you do not have to have the paid software. Why I prefer the paid version? Because it is watermark free and also ads free. Fine, so I just use the paid software to just ease up my works. Fine. So next thing for you all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to provide a non-watermark copy of KineMaster. Okay, the KineMaster copy that you're going to download from Google Play Store. Okay, the Play Store that you have or the App Store that you have, that has a watermark in it. Okay, just remember that has a watermark of KineMaster, the K logo in it. Okay, so to remove that, what we do is what we pay and buy the software. Fine. But inshallah I'll be providing you all with a modified version. Okay, so many creators, the editors, what they have done is they have just purchased this modified edition of KineMaster. Okay, the modified version is nothing but they just remove the watermark from the KineMaster and then just circulate it throughout. Okay, so I'll just send it in the group right now, dear sisters, inshallah. Bismillah, I'll just send a copy of the KineMaster modified apps. Inshallah, I want you all to download that now. We are doing it together, inshallah. So Bismillah. Okay, I just have sent a drive link in the group. Have you all received it? Type yes or no, dear sisters and brothers here. Kindly type yes if you all have received it in the group. Yes, alhamdulillah. Okay, someone with the iPhone, dear sisters and brothers, I'm extremely sorry. Those are with the iPhone, you do not have the modified version. You can, because the iPhone security is quite very tight. Okay, the iPhone security is tight and we cannot have a modified version of the software. Okay, you cannot get the modified version of the software. Okay, iPhone users, you just can download it from the app store. Okay, when you're going to the professional editing, you can just buy the versions and then you can just be a professional editor over there, inshallah. So I just want you all to just open it up and download it, any one of it. There are 3 softwares probably. You can download any one of it. And also it depends upon the compatibility of your Android and more. You try with each one of it. Okay, I'll say how I'll teach you how to download it, because there is also the restriction on Google Play Store as well. There is also a restriction on your mobiles as well. Each and every mobile has a restriction that unknown sources cannot download it. You cannot download it from unknown sources, or you cannot install it from unknown sources. There is also some restriction in the Play Store, from the Play Store as well. I'll teach you how to do it. Have you all just opened the link? So this is the software that we are going to use. Okay, inshallah. Okay, one more thing I want to teach you or to tell you all, that is before starting up with this class, I want you all to prepare 2 devices. If 2 devices not okay for you all, then you can just have 1 device and you can just take a book along with you and write whatever important things that you are finding, and then you can practice it after the class. Fine, dear sisters and brothers, but you all have to be focused with the screen, with my screen. Okay, because this my screen is very important for you all to learn. So I prefer you all to have 2 devices. Okay, this is very preferable, dear sisters and brothers. Well, what thing you can do is, you can just play this class on the laptop and you can just do it on the smartphone. The practice, you all are going to practice along with me in the class. Okay, this is very important. So if you do not have 2 devices, then that is no problem. But you have to have a book with you to write everything, the key points, and then you have to practice after the class, because the practicing is the thing that is mandatory in this. Okay, this is not just not nothing like you're learning it and keeping it in your memory. No, you have to implement this, you have to practice it, only then you will learn the skill. Dear sisters and brothers, please take it from me, with practice only you can achieve the level of professionalism that I have achieved now, alhamdulillah. Okay, so I want you all to just have two devices with you, one device to listen to the class, second device for the live practice. If you do not have two separate devices, then a book is sufficient to write down the key points, and then you can practice after the class. Okay, so beginning with the software installation, today you do not have to have two devices or more. From tomorrow you can arrange for the two devices, inshallah. Today I'm just going to teach you how you're going to have the software installed, inshallah, and some of the interface of the KineMaster I'm going to show you, how the interface of it looks, how the workspace of it looks, inshallah. Okay, if you're not able to download it, do not worry, I will help you throughout. You just have to ping me, inshallah, in the WhatsApp. I'll just help you throughout, inshallah. But try to open up the link, dear sisters and brothers. Okay, so one thing that is very important is you're going to practice along with me to attain the perfection. And the two devices are, I don't say it is mandatory, because probably most of you might not be having two smartphones or something like that. If you have one laptop or something as such, you can play the class on the laptop, and you can do it along with me in the class, okay, with the smartphone. That's all. So this is the skill that needs practice, and it just does not need studying. Okay, you just have to practice to gain the perfection, inshallah. So in our class for today, we are just going to learn how we are going to install the software, and then we are going to see the interface of the KineMaster, inshallah. So let me just begin with the screen sharing. I want you all to start this along with me, inshallah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear sisters and brothers, one more thing for you all to note. I want you all to just do not make use of the chat box, okay? Because after I share my screen, I lost access to the chat box. Fine. After the class, I want you all to take down the doubts that you have, and after the class, please type in the chat box after the class, inshallah. I'll let you know. I'll give you some time for sharing all of your doubts, okay? Now when I share the screen, I will lose access to the chat box. So inshallah, after the class, I'll give you some time to post all of your doubts. Okay, so I'll just share the screen. I'll show you how you're going to download this application, inshallah, and also some steps we are going to begin with. Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, you all have to practice along with me, remember that. And one more thing is that you all have to just open the drive link that I have sent. Please open the drive link that is being sent in the group, dear sisters and brothers. Have you all opened it up? There's a drive link that I've shared in the group. This is a drive link, yes. Just open it up. It will lead you to a drive folder or something like that. I think it will be open up in your drive. When it's open, just click on this application, any application that you want to download, preferably the first application. Just open it up and download it. Once you have downloaded, it will appear somewhere in the downloads or something like that. Open it up. Okay, let me just open it up. It's somewhere in the downloads. Just a moment. Okay, how are you going to open the KineMaster? Click on the KineMaster. Okay, it shows staging app. It will stage the app. And one more thing, it will ask you for the setting. There is a tight security in the Google Play Store as well. But what you have to do is you have to allow the settings to install the application. Okay, dear sisters and brothers, I want you all to click on the settings there and allow the unknown sources. Allow it from the unknown sources. Fine, because the settings probably won't show up in the screen on the screen there. I want you all to just allow it there. Okay, allow the installation from the unknown sources. When you do so, when you just toggle the button there will be a button something like that, something like this. You have to toggle this and switch it on, and then you will the installation will begin. Hope you all are finding it good to go with. Okay, have you all downloaded it? Probably yes. I'll take it as a yes, inshallah. So this will be the screen that will appear. This will be the KineMaster that will appear, the logo that will appear on the screen after you have downloaded the KineMaster. Fine. This is the KineMaster that will appear on the screen after you have downloaded the application. Okay. Okay. Hope you all are doing it. I hope you all are doing it along with me, inshallah. If any doubts, inshallah, I'll just take some doubts in the chat box. Just a moment, dear sisters and brothers here. Okay. Hope you all are downloading it along with me. Yes?
Recording in progress.
Okay. Someone wants me to repeat it again? Okay, I have sent you the link, dear sisters and brothers in the group. I want you all to just open it up. Open the link. Yes. Alhamdulillah. This will be the link that is opened up. You have three things here. Just open single thing there, anything, and just download it up. After downloading, it will appear in the downloads or somewhere. Just open the app up. There will be a staging of application. Fine. There will be something called staging the application. Okay. After that, it shows you something like there will be settings that appears there. There will be a settings that appears there, dear sisters, something like this. They show you there's a setting here. When you click on the settings, okay, you have to allow, okay, you have to allow from the unknown sources. Fine. Install app from the unknown sources. And for now, I'm installing it from the Google Chrome. Okay. Now it's based on which you're going to install. Fine. Install the app from the unknown source. If you're installing it from the drive, then you have to enable the drive there. Okay. Just remember that. If you have installing from the drive, then enable the drive link there. Fine. If you are doing it from the Google Chrome, I'm doing it currently from the Google Chrome. I have to allow the Google Chrome here. There's a toggle, but there will be a see here. It will show that a Chrome, and you have to toggle this button up. Okay. You are going to toggle this button here. Fine. This is what it is, and inshallah, then you will be getting up the settings. Fine. So this is it. Understood how you're going to toggle it? You're just going to toggle that button there, and then inshallah, the KineMaster will appear on the screen. Have you all done with this process? Dear sisters and brothers, type yes if you're installed. Yes, alhamdulillah. I've received a yes. Barakallahu feek, dear sister Farhana. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah, dear sister Fauzia. Barakallahu feeki. Alhamdulillah. May Allah bless you more in this application, and inshallah, let this be a source of barakah and more. Let it be a great content creation through this, inshallah. I'll just show you a small things that I do, few of the projects that I take up, and more. Alhamdulillah, dear sister and sister Yusra, you have not, you could not do that. Okay, I'll help you out. You can just share the screenshots on my WhatsApp, dear sister. I'll just help you out with that. Okay. Okay. Alhamdulillah. Sayyid Miyud Allah. Barakallahu fiki. And started. Muhammad Imad, you cannot install. You are using iPhone. I have told you already, dear brother Muhammad Imad, you cannot install it on the iPhone. You just have to go to App Store and install this content. Okay. Just install the KineMaster. Type KineMaster there and install this application. I've already told it that iPhone users, I'm sorry, I cannot provide you the mod version because the restrictions on the iPhone is very tight. Do not worry. Do not worry. Oh, for the learners, no problem. You can just go with this version from the iPhone, from the App Store. Okay, do not worry. While you're going for the professional creating, you can just buy it, inshallah, with your own money, inshallah, with the money that you earn from the professionally creating the content. Okay, so I'm just going to show you what I create content for. These are the channels that I create content for. This is a YouTube channel for the reminder. I create the content for the Nurul Quran website, and I create the content for the EDU-SITE, the creation of creator. I also have a few more channels in the another phone of mine, which is for the Your Sister in Islam. I also create the content for Al Quran Hayati. I also create the content for something like Nurun Ala Nur, and also for Arjumand Abdullah. There's something back up here. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, I'll show you some of my content that I have created so that you all will actually, inshallah, will have a goal to create such a fit, inshallah, in the future, dear sisters and brothers here. Okay, so just a moment, please. We'll see some of the content that I have created, inshallah. All of the content that is in the reminder channel is self-created. You can just see the videos that are there. And also, I want to motivate you all to create such content, inshallah. You know, we all have to create with the right intention, because while creating this content, dear sisters and brothers, we do not think that this will go to such a large audience. It is just Allah who sends it to the vast millions of people. Just look into some contents that is available on on the various channels. What it's not in our hand, right? It's just like it's kind of algorithm that works wonders there, right? Now what happens, you just create some content. This I just tell you, this things of 34 seconds, it just takes me 15 minutes to create. The 15 minutes content that is created, it will be a source of hidayah for millions of people, dear sisters and brothers. It will be a source of hidayah for so many peoples. Isn't this the purpose that we want? Why are we learning this? Isn't this sufficient purpose that we are going to learn? Isn't this sufficient as a purpose that we are learning, inshallah? I want you all to do it with a great spirit. I want you all to learn the skill with a great spirit, dear sisters and brothers. You're fine, inshallah ta'ala. Your content that you'll create, inshallah, will inshallah reach the large audience. Inshallah. May Allah accept it from you. May Allah accept it from us, inshallah. May we be a beacons of knowledge, beacons of hidayah for all, inshallah, for most of the people that Allah wants to send, inshallah ta'ala. So bismillah. Just a moment. I think we are stuck up here. Okay, this was it. And I could show you some business promo videos that we create for probably we have created so much of content, inshallah. I cannot show you all of the content. I can just show you just a piece of content or something like that. This is some of the business promotional videos that I have created for various supermarkets or something like that, and also for the some of the what we say is businesses. I have created the content for them as well. Some of hijab business and more like this. You know, each of this is just 15 minutes to create, dear sisters and brothers. You can just charge around $10 for each video, dear sisters and brothers. Here, this is the content that you all can create from just the KineMaster. See how beautiful it is. Do you all like this content? Inshallah, you will be one day creating this content. Inshallah, you will be creating this content more beautiful than this, inshallah, dear sisters and brothers. So isn't this beautiful? Isn't this beautiful? Yes, it is, and inshallah, we are going to do. This is a content like that that is on the put up on the YouTube and more, right? And the YouTube channels and more, you will find something like they have advertised some contents, right? This is a content like that. You can create such a stuff, inshallah, in the future. Okay, be in the class with so much spirit to learn so much things, inshallah, dear sisters and brothers here. So see here, this is how some of the content looks like, and also you all will be able to create such a content, inshallah, in the future. This is a business promotional videos that you have, that you can create for various businesses. Okay, I have to tell you, you can charge at least $100. See here, these are the things that, for example, you're into the business like this, what we say, making creams or something as such. This is for the some store like a Bada store probably. Yes. See, something business promotional videos, you can make it in this way. Halal content, inshallah, without music and more. You should not be lenient with your conditions. Okay, create a halal content without music, and inshallah, Allah will put barakah in your time, in your efforts, and your skill, inshallah. And also, you can create some business promotional videos and also wedding invitation videos, something like this stuff, dear sisters and brothers. This is this content. This is the content that I'm showing that you all can create. Okay, I'll show you how our students created in the previous batches. Okay. So this is the wedding invitation video of someone and something like that. I just created for them. It was in 2021. This is a beautiful video. You all can create your own wedding invitation videos, or for someone, if you want to create, you can do it with. This was created by our students, dear sisters and brothers. See how beautiful it is. Is it not beautiful? This is an intro video the students created for us. See how beautiful they did it for us. This is quite easy to tell you the skill. This is the breaking news content that our students created for us, the previous batch students. Is it good? Is it not good to watch? Is it not like the breaking news that has appeared on the YouTube somewhere or something like that? It is the self creation of a students, dear sisters and brothers here. Okay, is this all giving you a motivation? I just want you all, yes, I want you all to be motivated with this content, dear sisters and brothers, so that you're not just going to create some stuffs or something like that. You're just going to create a great content, inshallah, in the future, dear sisters and brothers here. Okay, so be motivated throughout the class. Okay, this is the content created by my student, one of my favorite students in the previous batch. This was Usma Parveen, named Usma Parveen. See here how beautifully it looks, right? Okay, this was a flyer they wanted to create for this. I just asked them to create a business promo video, and they created it for with my own flyer. So this is how actually how beautiful they created it with. So this is also this, inshallah, you also can create more better content like this, dear sisters and brothers here. Okay, this is just to motivate you that what we are going into, inshallah. Just a motivation to show you how we are going into the video editing and what stuff we are going to create in future, inshallah. Just look at these videos, you all will inshallah be able to create such a content, inshallah. We'll teach you how to source up this reciters, how to source up the png of this videos, how to source up the translations of the Quranic tilawa, and more in the future classes. I'll show you each and every stuff, dear sisters and brothers, inshallah. I want you all to be very punctual and very concentrating with the spirit of learning such a great knowledge, of creating such a great content, inshallah. I want you all to be present with me with next 16 days, inshallah, and learn the skill of editing. Okay, so a brief, we are almost time for the class, but I want to show you all the interface of the KineMaster, and then we are going to end the session, inshallah. So this is the KineMaster, inshallah. We'll be creating our great content with this application, the KineMaster application that's over here, dear sisters and brothers. Okay, this is the logo of them. So this is application. I'll just open this application up and show you how this interface looks like. Hope you all have installed. I want you all to tell yes if you have installed it in your mobile phones, smartphones. Yes, please, dear sisters and brothers, kindly mention yes. I want to know how many have installed. MashaAllah, alhamdulillah. Barakallahu fiki, alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. That's great, mashallah. So very good. Barakallahu fiki. Alhamdulillah. Yes. Almost all have installed it. I have not received no. Okay, barakallah, mashallah. So this is the screen of the KineMaster that you all have, dear sisters and brothers. So there's a home screen here, there is a mix here, there's a plus here, and there's a profile here. The plus is the creator button, and there is at last is a profile button. Fine. So okay, Sister Yusra, you couldn't do it to the iPhone. Please go to the App Store and install the KineMaster. Dear sister, please go to the App Store and install the KineMaster from there. Okay, inshallah. So, okay. So this is the first thing that you have. There is a home screen here. Okay, this is a home screen here. From this home screen, you will have a video templates. Okay, you will get the templates, video templates. Okay, this is for the beginners. Okay, this is for the beginners. Even if you do not know anything about video editing, you can just go to this home screen and you can create a content out of the videos that are already available. For example, I want something like for example, I'm in an urgent need to create a content for my. Okay, I'll just type a wedding invitation there. Okay, let me just type a wedding invitation. I want a wedding invitation video. I want to make a wedding invitation video, and I do not know how to make it. So what I do is I just go to the home and I just type it there, a wedding invitation. Fine. So I will have various wedding invitation videos that are already available on the KineMaster. What I do is I just go to that, click on the something that I feel is very good, and I just go to the mix and I have my own wedding invitation like that. Fine. This is an easy peasy way that you all can opt. Okay, but this is just for the beginners, dear sisters and brothers. What we are going to do is we are going to create some different content just of our own, inshallah. So we are not going to use the mix. Even if you want to use the mix, we will do it after learning the KineMaster so well. Okay, after learning the KineMaster so well, we can just mix theirs with ours, and their templates with our templates, and make our own copy after that, inshallah. After learning so much of the KineMaster, only then we are going to go and step into the mix, dear sisters and brothers, because we want to learn so many things. We are not going to step inside this home button here. Fine. Okay, one more thing. Even if you're a beginner, you can create your own content using the mix, using the home button. Fine. And then there's something called mix here. In the mix, they actually have everything like reels format. Everything is available, like whatever you are posting on the KineMaster, you can upload your content on the KineMaster as well, like how you're uploading on the Instagram and more. That thing appears. What we do, we content creators do not post it on the KineMaster. Okay, we just post it as we just save it as a video. Okay, we are not going to take their templates here. We are not going to take take the templates now. We're going to learn that stuff later. Okay, inshallah ta'ala. We are going to learn to create our own templates as well. Yes, we are going to learn to create our own templates, inshallah. We are just getting some background photos, wallpapers, and then we can create our own content, and we'll see how we can do that, inshallah. Okay, dear sisters and brothers. Okay, the next thing, the third option that is here is the create option. We are with the create option for the next 16 days. Remember this, we are with this option, inshallah, for the next 16 days. We have to just look into this option, the create option. Okay, we'll go into that stuff later. We'll just show you the third content, the fourth thing that is available there. That is nothing but the profile there. Okay, this is the profile that you have that you can create. If you do not want to create, please do not create it. Okay, this is the profile that I have created on the KineMaster. This is a paid profile, so I have created so many videos, and this is the thing that you get here, something called as a crown here. They actually give it to the paid version users, and also the modified users, you also will have the access to this. Okay, so this is what are the access to this is nothing but you will have no watermark, no ads, unlimited premium access. You will get 10 GB cloud storage also. This one thing I get it because of the monthly plan that I have, the subscription plan. You also will have the no watermark and no ads content because of the modified application that is free of cost for you all. Okay, so one more thing, one important thing that I want to tell you all, please do not update. Okay, please do not update the KineMaster. Fine, you cannot update the KineMaster that is sent to you, because that is a modified version. Okay, that is a modified version that I have given you. If you update it, what happens is the version that is on the Google Play Store will be replaced with a modified version, and again all of the KineMaster features, this restrictions will come, and a watermark will appear, and the ads will appear there. Fine, dear sisters and brothers, one important thing is do not update the application that is with you. Okay, fine. Okay, that is what important thing that I have to tell you. Please remember this words, fine, because I have seen most of the students updating the application and losing access to the modified version that I have provided you all. So we are going to go to the something called as a create option. Okay, we're almost time for the class. I'm just gonna head up with this one, and inshallah we're going to end up the session. Okay, just bear with me for next 5 minutes. This is a create button that you all have, dear sisters and brothers. Here there is a create button. You just have to open this create button, and first thing that the projects that you all have to create is the create project, the create new or the create project that appears here. You just have to click and start off with the project, inshallah. So I'll be going in detail about you learning, and we will be learning in detail about each and everything here. Fine, each and everything here, how to duplicate the project, how to change the aspect ratio, how to import it as a .kind file, how to just make your friends edit your video that you have created, how to create a new project, how to change the advanced settings, and more, inshallah. In the next classes, I want you all to be very concentrating. So this is a interface of the KineMaster that we have, inshallah. From tomorrow we are going to learn this application in depth. Okay, so this was a class for today, inshallah. I'm just going to stop this screen sharing. If you have any doubts, you can just boom the chat box with your messages. Dear sisters and brothers, inshallah, I just have stopped this screen sharing. I want you all to share any doubts if you have now, inshallah. And kindly type in the chat box if you have any doubts. Please let me know. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Yes, dear sisters and brothers, any doubts? No doubts? Please mention if they have doubts or no doubts. It was just about the software. The doubt is nothing but if you have install it or not. If you have not installed it, that is a major doubt. You can just ping me. I'll just help you out with the installation. Alhamdulillah. No doubts, dear sister. Inshallah, we're going to begin with in the tomorrow's class. Can you use it with the computer? Probably yes, but I think you will find it very difficult to use it on the computer. Okay, so which device I'm using an Android tablet, dear sisters and brothers. Okay, it is a tablet. I prefer using a bigger screen to edit my videos. So what I do is I just purchased it just for the sake of video editing. I have purchased the tablet. Okay, and also I would prefer I also had an option to purchase the iPad, but I preferred using an Android tablet over iPad because I wanted to use the KineMaster in the Android version itself. So this was it. This was a major thing that I did. Okay, this is the Android tablet that I'm using. Fine. Okay, next thing. Okay, this is a quick. Let me just recap whatever we have studied. We have studied what is the scope of video editing. We have studied why are you going to learn video editing, and we also have seen why and okay. There's another doubt. Which device are you using is done. Laptop. Okay, you can just use your laptop and you can do it, dear sisters and brothers. if you want, there is also a copy on the laptop of the KineMaster, but it's quite difficult. Okay, why I prefer the smartphone is because you can pinch on the screen and you can do all the stuff that you want to do. Okay, so this is quite easy to do with the smartphone, dear sisters. The editing, the thing that you do for 1 hour on laptop, that will be done in 20 to 15 minutes in your smartphone. Take it from me. So what I did was I just switched off from the a laptop or computers and just switched onto the a smartphone for the video editing. Okay, I'm a video editor for past 9 to 10 years, dear sisters. I have been through all of the softwares. Please, you can just take me as an experience because I'm experienced in this video editing. You can just take me as an experienced person here, and these are some of the suggestions that I'm giving you in the class. Okay, so alhamdulillah, dear sisters and brothers, this is the recap that I've given you all. So the recap is nothing but your software you have to edit, the software you all have to download. Why you're going to just learn the software editing, and also inshallah there's a very bright future for the video editors. Inshallah you all can create excellent content in the future as well, inshallah. So this was a small and brief lesson recap that I wanted to give you all. So if any doubts, you can just ping me, or alhamdulillah I've just discussed all of the doubts in the class itself. I've resolved all of the doubts in the class itself, alhamdulillah. So this was a session for today, dear sisters and brothers. Hope to see you all in tomorrow's class. I want this attendance of 23 people, inshallah, in tomorrow's class as well, inshallah. With the spirit of learning a great skill for the sake of Allah, let's just end the session and be present in tomorrow's session, inshallah. Let's do the next session. Let's attend the next session with great zeal, inshallah. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك نشهد ان لا اله الا انت استغفرك واتوب اليك. السلام عليكم ورحمه الله وبركاته, dear sisters and brothers here. السلام عليكم, جزاكم الله خيرا كثيرا.